Good afternoon, students. I wanted to briefly go over some information about the midterm to help you complete this assignment successfully. The first thing I would encourage you to do is to print out the reading so that you can annotate it. But for those of you who are unable to print it out, you can certainly read it and take notes on a piece of paper. And you want to make sure that you're identifying the purpose of the information, asking yourself, how does this relate to the title? What is the author talking about in this portion of the article? How does this relate to the author's main point? All of this information is going to help you identify the author's main point and what the author wants you to know about the topic. Next, I want you to read the prompt. When you read the prompt is going to be the essential question that you have to answer in your thesis statement. Remember, your thesis statement is your main focus of your essay, and each one of your topic sentences addresses one point you're making about your thesis statement. So this is why I've asked you to create an outline. By creating an outline, you can make sure you have the essential content in each paragraph. Your intro paragraph should have a hook about your topic. You should review your article or introduce the article with the author's full name, the title of the article, and the main point. Then you should have a 3-sentence review. Identify what happened in the beginning of the article. Identify what the major themes were in the middle of the article. And identify how the author ends the article. So that would start causal begins by, next causal concludes by. And that would make a very essential review of the article. The reason we have a 3-part summary this time, we only have 1 article instead of having 2. Nevertheless, the last sentence in your intro paragraph is the answer to the prompt question. So, with that in mind, you also want to make sure that you type your essay using Microsoft Word and MLA format. Now, for those of you who are having trouble with MLA format, please come to office hours on Tuesday, and I can help you with that. The worst thing you can do is type up your essay incorrectly and then be upset that you're still making MLA format errors and not come and get help, okay? So come and get help. I can help you. All right, so I want you to read the directions that I have here. Let's see. You must be able to write an essay that is controlled by a central focus, the thesis statement. In addition, your body paragraphs, four body paragraphs, should be cohesive in regard to the thesis. Also, the body paragraph should be organized using paragraph structure discussed in our class, which is our Canvas shell. And remember, that's a thesis statement. Explain your thesis statement. Find a direct quotation that supports your topic sentence. I need some validity that what you say in your topic sentence is correct and that it is validated in the article. Next, I want you to provide some type of relationship between the direct quotation and the topic sentence. And then I need an analysis that starts with either for example, for instance, or in this situation, and 4 or 5 sentences that are about your topic sentence. It should not be a review of the article. The analysis portion of your paragraph is just further information about your topic sentence. Okay? All right. Next, you need to have a concluding paragraph. The concluding paragraph starts with the appropriate transition, all in all, finally, furthermore, and then you restate your thesis statement using different words. The next sentence is a sentence about the topic and the author, period. The last sentence is a warning, an if-then statement. If any of this information is unclear to you, come to office hours. I'll be more than happy to explain it to you further. Lastly, I wanted to go over the prompt. Jonathan Kossel invites readers to take a closer look at cultural stereotypes that inhibit genuine and meaningful learning. Write an essay in which you assess Kossel's arguments. Your thesis statement should address the following questions as your prompt. So you're going to make a sentence that's going to address these sentences or these questions. What particular stereotype does he identify? What argument does he make about how these stereotypes undermine or inhibit learning? What conclusion or solution, if any, does he offer? And this essentially is what I'm trying to see if you are able to grasp and be able to write your essay. All right? If you have any questions about the midterm, please come and see me on Tuesday during office hours in Zoom. Have a wonderful day.